Good morning guys, today we've got here Galaxy A57 5G and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So at first open the settings, then find and select Accounts and Backup, and under Google Drive mark Backup Data. As you can see, currently it is off. To activate it, just mark Turn On, mark data that you wish to backup, tap on Confirm, and that's it. As you can see, from now on it is active. Obviously it's super quick and easy once you are logged in, but if you are not, you just have to provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected to your account, along with the password, and then smoothly activate the backup the same way. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.